have this, the y dx equal to 2 times e to power x minus y. So what we are going to do in this case, we are going to break this one into 2 parts, which will be e to power this times e to power minus y, okay, dy dx. So we can also go further. This will be what? This will be this minus exponent, this minus power here, remove it, and that will bring this one down. So you have this. So dy dx. So you can multiply through by this. So we have this dy. Remove this one also from here, and that will be equal to what? 2 this dx. So if you want to remove this one, you just multiply through. Multiply this side by dx, this side by dx. So this is what we have now. So then if you integrate this e function to be the same thing, equal to this will also be what? Will be this plus what? Plus c. Okay? Then if you want to find y now, we can take ln of that function, take ln of that function, which will be equal to what? Y equal to ln of this function. Okay, so that's the answer for that. So if you have exponential function, okay, to power y, and you want to find this y, so what you do just to take the ln of both sides. So the ln of exponential will give you what? Will give you this. Yeah, for this one, for e equation, we can start from here. S squared y dx. Here, y is common here. Factorize that, and that will be 1 plus what? 1 plus x. Then the next thing to do is to remove this one from here, and that will be what? 1 over y dy. Remove this s squared from here, and that will be what? 1 plus this over x squared. So if you want to remove s squared from here, you divide this place by s to the power 2. You divide this side also by x to the power 2. Okay? Then remove this one also from here, that will be x. So you have separated the variable. Then integrate both sides. So this will be ln y, ln of that function, and this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 1 over x squared plus x over x to the power 2 dx. This is just algebra, okay? So 1 over this plus this one over this. And this one will be equal to integral of what? X to the power minus 2 plus 1 over what? 1 over x dx. We have this ln of y equal to, if you integrate this one, x to the power minus 2, that will give us minus 1 over this, then plus what? Ln of x, then plus what? Plus c. Okay? So that's the answer. Then the next thing we can do now is to bring the ln together, equal to minus 1 over this plus c. Then we can combine this one together, and that will be ln of y over what? Over x equal to what? Minus 1 over x plus what? Plus c. Then this one will now become y over x equal to exponents to power minus 1 over x plus what? Plus c. And this one will give us what? Don't forget, this one means this times exponential to power c. And this one is equal to, you can give it any letter, you can call it k, you can call it a. So the choice is yours. Okay? So we now have y over this k exponential minus 1 over x. Okay? So y will be equal to what? K times x exponential to power minus 1 over x. And that's finished that question. So that's that on question 1. Please, if you are new on the channel, there's an icon on the video. Click on it and subscribe. So as to keep track of the updates of this channel. Okay? Likewise, click on like button. Click on like button. Okay? click on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, and finally, share the links of this video on your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Please join the next question on using integration to solve differential equation. Question 2.